Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning series. In this lesson, we're going to learn some common colors and everyday object in English. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe simple things using colors. So, let's get started. First, let's learn some common colors. Okay? Red. Repeat after me. Red. Blue. Blue. Green. Green. Yellow. Yellow. Black. Black. White. White. Orange. Orange. Pink. Pink. Excellent. Let's review them. Red, blue, green, yellow, black, white, orange, pink. Very good. Now let's learn some everyday objects. Book. Repeat. Book. Pen. Pen. Phone. Phone. Chair. Chair. Table. Table. Bag. Bag. Door. Door. Car. Car. Excellent. Let's say them again. Book. Pen. Phone. Chair. Table. Bag. Door. Car. Great job. Let's combine colors and objects. Okay? We can say a red book. A red book. A blue pen. A blue pen. A black phone. A black phone. A white chair. A white chair. A green bag. A green bag. Notice the simple pattern. Okay? Color plus object. For example, blue plus pen equal a blue pen. Blue plus pen equal a blue pen. Now let's practice together. A red book, a blue pen, a black phone, a green bag, a white chair. Very good. Now look around you and choose an object. You can describe it using it is plus color. For example, it is red, or it is a red book. Excellent, my friends. Today we learned common colors: red, blue, green, yellow, black, white, orange, and pink. We also learned everyday objects such as book, pen, phone, chair, table, and bag, door, car. And we learn how to describe objects. A red book, a blue pen, and a black phone. So my friends, this is enough for this lesson. Please support us, like, subscribe the video, and good job. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.